Hello, everyone! One of the most interesting, most efficient, and sometimes the quickest communication with your friends and followers are Facebook stories. Leads, you can take it from here.
Hello everyone, Leeds here. Let's get to business. Creating a story is easy and can be very entertaining. On the top of your newsfeed on your right hand side, there's a plus under your profile photo that says create a story. Now remember, there's a big difference if you're creating your story from your desktop and from your mobile phone. Let's start with a desktop option for profile. Step 1 is to create a photo story. Choose a photo from your computer. Selected photo you can either crop, zoom in out, move, or rotate. On the left hand side there's an add text option. Choose the color and font and then start typing. The letters will appear automatically. Now you can share your story. Step 2, you can create a text story. Here you can choose between multiple backgrounds and fonts. You can set up your story to be public, just for friends, or custom, meaning that you can choose folks who will be able to see your story. You use these things when the story is personal, or you do not want everyone to see it. And that goes for the desktop. Now let's head over to the mobile option. Open your Facebook app and click on plus create a story. There are several options. You may choose previously prepared story options, or you could choose photos straight from your gallery. If you choose 2 or more photos, additional options are available only when you tap on one photo, then another, and another. You have to create and prepare each photo separately. Now let's see what happens when you tap on stickers. Location. If you want to let people know where something is happening or where are you, be sure to use the location option. Time. Letting people know what is happening at the exact moment in time. GIF. Interesting and can be funny for the story, and it also attracts attention. In case you don't know what GIF is, see our free tutorial Social Media Language and Expressions. Music. You can add music separately, or you can add music to the photo or background you choose. Search the music you want. When you choose one song, just tap on it. The words will show up, so you can choose the fonts and color. Some of the songs do not have words moments, and if you do not wish those karaoke words, you can tap on different song layouts showing the song cover. You can also move cover all over the screen. By moving the sound wave from the left to right and vice versa, you're able to choose the part of a song you want. Now, just tap Done. Story gives you the option with effects. Choose the one you like. Event. You can post it by choosing from the list of Facebook events. Tag people. Choose one or several names from your list. You can also allow people to tag you or simply ban it. Feelings. Another emoji that can decorate your story. Donate. Choose one from the Facebook donation list. Tapping on options, everyone will be able to see how many people have donated and how much money is needed. Comments. Start a discussion by asking a question, saying something funny, ask people to continue the sentence, and so on. There's a segment where people can just write their answers in. Poll. By asking a question and seeing the answers, you can see how your friends and followers react to a subject, question, or a theme. Like a small survey, but keep in mind that those answers are from the people that are your friends, and they can be from all over the world. Questions. Easy way to find out what are your friends or followers wishing or even thinking. Photo. You can always add another photo to your story as well as some stickers. By tapping on that new photo, you can change the shape of it. Typing. You can choose font, color, and background for your text. Swirly tool helps you draw in the story. Choose thickness and the color of your pen. Filters. List of numerous filters that will enrich your design's story. Tag people. Again, you're able to tag someone. Animate effects. Allow you to play a little bit with your photos by adding moving effects. At the very end, tap on Share to Story and your job is done. Now let's see what's on the top of your mobile screen. Text, music, boomerang, mood, selfie, poll. Text. Here we can choose between multiple backgrounds and fonts. Music. Same goes in the previous case above. Choose your favorite song with or without the words and let the tones flow throughout the story. Boomerang. Hold the infinity button and record. Boomerang is the repetitive tool that lasts only for a few seconds. Before you record it, you're able to add some effects by tapping on this icon. Now, the interesting moment is when you choose the boomerang option, here you have another one, and that is you can take normal photos and record normal videos. You can use a rear or front camera in each case. Layouts. Make a story collage in different layouts using the photos from the gallery or making one. Super zoom. Special zoom effects. Interesting, right? Mood. Lots of GIFs to express your feelings. Again, you can decorate story with options already mentioned in the video. Selfie. Option directly from the stories, where you can use special effects by tapping on this icon. Poll, as we mentioned earlier, and other decorating story options. Story for page. Tap on Avatar, plus, and then create a story. Then follow all the instructions from this video. Before you start posting stories, be sure that you try each option and play with the design. There are a lot of options out there, so yours can be easily recognizable to your target group. Each story you can save and download. If you don't like something that you posted, you can always delete it by moving it to the trash can at the bottom of your screen. Also, be frequent when posting the stories. Minimum is 1 per day. Do it on a regular basis. That way you're increasing the reach, impressions, followers, and of course, interaction with your audience. If you want to archive your stories, be sure that you go to your page's publishing tools and then click on Stories, then Stories Archive on. This will only be visible to people who manage your page. Well, that's all for me in this video tutorial. See you in the next one.
Thank you, Leeds. You've been very helpful.